Let's make vegan cheesy bean potato tots. First, let's cut the potatoes, wash them and leave the skins on. More food value and very simple. Next, let's add our red beans and our white beans. Now we're going to make our vegan cheese sauce with lots of nutritional yeast, lemon juice, garlic, and put it all in a food processor with a little water, and we're ready to go. Once we have that done, we'll add the cheese to the bean mixture with the potatoes and pulse it in order to mix it slightly. Then we want to use a 1/4 cup measuring spoon and make our tots and put them evenly on a foil-based cookie sheet. Into the oven they go. While they're baking, let's make our ranch dressing with hemp seeds, garlic, lemon juice, onions, dill, and let's spin it up in the food processor and let it sit and wait. Now the best part is we get to eat. And let's enjoy these cheesy bean potato tots.